27,000 Mariner of the Sea. Right behind you, we show the Oasis of the Sea. And you see Crystal Palace. I remember 30 years ago, I quit my job at Budweiser, went to Egypt for a month, rented jet skis at that hotel. We're gonna check it out. I thought my boat was big. This Carnival Cruise line I'm on. I mean, this boat has 1,000 people. That was 7. This one 5. I mean, look at the floors. I mean, let me just count them with you. Just with the patio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one only have 3 with the patio floors. This right here has 12 floors. This one has how many? We'll just go from the top, very top. That's 1 deck, 2 decks, 3 decks, 4 decks, 5 decks, 6 decks, 7 decks, 8 decks, 9 decks, 10 decks, 11 decks, 12 decks, 13, 14, 15. I don't know how many below what a crew and the storage is at. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is massive. You see it come in right now. They used to use a tugboat, but in the back, you can just see at the bottom the engines are pushing the boat. I mean, look how close these things are. I mean, this is crazy. This guy driving this thing like he's driving a Corvette. I mean, he's gonna move it in real gentle. I mean, and he's navigating waves. Again, this is Jazz 313 bringing you something different down here in Nassau, Bahamas. Beautiful day, sunny day. This is my ship right here. I'm not my ship, the ship I'm on. Then right across you got another Carnival. It's like a traffic jam of ships. But this right here is the Carnival Conquest. A beautiful ship. I mean, if you want to drink and eat, I don't drink, I don't eat, but I mean, I eat, but this is crazy. You just look at this big thing. And Nassau make their money off these ships. I mean, all these ships are based in, I mean, you know, as in Greece is, I don't know if I brought a ship special when I was in Greece with the Mykonos and some of the outer islands last year. I don't know if I was so excited to be in the Athens, I lost my mind there. The food, the people, the scenery, on the creek. This is something special in light of the war that's going on in Israel, and you know, we just pray for peace in that situation. Got a lot of Palestinian friends, a lot of Lebanese friends, a lot of Jewish friends. I don't really speak on any kind of war. I just want peace. But this is, I mean, I don't know if this picture will show you. What is this right here called? Royal Caribbean or what? Okay, Royal Caribbean, okay, at the back, okay. Right, these big boy boats. I mean, well, look at the water slide down there, that other one. I mean, big water slide. Then this one right here has a, oh, well, you can't see it right over there. They have you can climb, I like climbing mountains. You can climb mountains up there, man. You can climb, like, I don't know how many feet, I'm just guessing, but look at this slide right here, I mean. I'm really not a cruiser because I'm kind of ADD. I like to move. If you want to get away, save your money, and I would advise you, I don't advertise for anybody, but do one of these ships, do a 3-day, 4-day cruise. As they say in Detroit, take your boo, your significant other, whatever, and just escape. Get away from the bills. I mean, this is early morning. Right here on the ship. This is the Lido deck, they call it. This is where at nighttime they got movies and midnight parties and midnight buffets. But you're gonna see, they call this the Mariner of the Seas. I mean, let me just let you see this thing. I want you to just watch this thing moor in. It's coming in right now. No tugboat. The engines. I mean, it's just crazy. Just look at it, and you're gonna see them, I guess, tied up, anchored in. You know, lovely day. 91 degrees. Getting my tan together. Beautiful. look down there. I'm just letting you see this whole thing. There's, if you're this close, when you're down in Miami, at the port of Miami, yeah, you see these boats, but you don't see this many of them. I mean, there's so many of them, I can't even pan around and let you see because these boats are so massive. I should have went all the way up to the top deck, but I have never seen them come in like this. You see those big black buoys out there. I don't know if you can see them with the camera, but you're gonna see, I'll let you see these guys work. You see the big rope, they're gonna anchor this boy in. I mean, life is good, God is good. You know, me coming from the projects, being able to see some things that I've seen. You see the boys down there tying up. These are massive ropes, holding something, a tug. And I've seen some big boys. I tell you, if you live in Los Angeles, go to, let's say, Long Beach to their port, or Oakland, go to their port, go to Galveston, Texas, see some boats. I mean, if you like the marina life, I got a kayak, got a sea rig. Because I do like the water there for Detroit. You know, Orchard Lake, that's my favorite spot. Rank Lake, even Belle Isle, my kayak, I love it. Going to Shane Park. Those of you from Detroit know Shane Park is. I gave my boys my boat. I mean, I see them down there with all girls on it dancing. But I stopped taking the boat out. I should sell it, but I ain't gonna sell it. But anyway, though, this is Jazz 313. After they lock this thing in, I'm just, this is, I guess, the Royal Caribbean, Mariner of the Seas, docking in Nassau, Bahamas. And you'll see this little car come picking people up. And people start running out of here. And just, you see they anchoring up. But then the guys right here, they anchoring up on the front. I guess when they get the all clear, I mean, three big ropes holding this big ship. I mean, the tensile strip on that rope got to be incredible to hold. I mean, you know, we have rope that can hold 30,000 watt tensile strip, cutting trees. I can't even imagine what kind of ropes these are. But, you know, I am going to go down and ask just for information. I'm an information junkie. Listen, my man, if you got some money, you know, forget buying another car. Take your woman, take your family. You take yourself. You want to go get some girls on the boat. I mean, God, oh my God, look. I think it's like 9 to 1. I mean, and then they here to party. And they here to just have fun. You know, that's what life is about. Living, and you ain't taking on this money with you. Look at this, this is all hydraulics. Okay, you put it down, then they tighten it up with some type of big machine. I know you can see that. Okay. Ain't like somebody got a little boat, tell your boy to jump out and tie up the boat. You see the little guy got his little boat in the background. I guess he got his woman, you know, rocking and rolling. And look at this. I mean, you can see the boat I'm on. This is a carnival. Right next to us is another carnival. Behind us is another carnival. I mean, I've never seen 8 crew boats or cruisers ever, I guess, in this densely populated place. But here we go right here. You see it's bringing out the ramps right here. And once the people start emerging out, exiting out, I'm gonna turn this off again. This is Jazz 313 on a cruise, you know, to Jamaica, to Mexico, Bahamas, Florida Keys. I mean, this is just, God, thank you. I don't know what your religion is, but I know one thing. God has blessed me. I wasn't even expecting this. I'm a project boy. Pork and beans and hot dogs. To see something like this is just, never seen it. I mean, I've seen it, but I never paid attention to it. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is crazy. So I put everything mechanical, old-fashioned pulley. Because they're gonna lift it up, they're gonna bring it out, and the people gonna come spend their money. The yellow boats you see are like, I guess like the Titanic sunk. These emergency boats. That boat can hold 150 persons, that can hold 6 persons. You see kind of panhandles, you can see. I guess for everybody on this boat, you gotta have a life vest as well as a boat for everybody. You know, and I guess when you have emergency, these things release. So 150. So I'm talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 15 times 150. You know, I know that's 1,500. Then you add another 70. So you're talking 750 on this side, 750 on the other side. You know, I'm not a mathematician, but I'm sure they got this whole thing covered. Then they got boats on the back. Lifeguards. I mean, look at this thing here, man. I mean, people just eating. I mean, if you have a problem with food, I tell people don't come to New Orleans and don't come on the ship. I can tell you that. But anyway, though, I'm going to sign off. Thank you.